Each year it is our job to come out here and change over the entire showroom. As you know, the wholesale shows go on 2 times a year, in the spring and the summer. So we come out here to Atlanta to change over the displays that we did the last season. This is the holiday room. First thing I do when I get here is kind of assess what kind of inventory we have, as well as what holiday and what grouping we're going to be showing up front. It is always based seasonally as well as new introductions. So we have, due to the supply chain, we don't have as many introductions. So we are going to be focusing on expanding this bright group, which goes into this room. So we are going to be shifting all of this, and we will be moving it over to this space, which I think with the bright colors, it will be kind of a nice change to have it up against this rustic wall, which means all of this product is going to be moved throughout, but the first part of it is deciding what's going to go where. So we know that this section is going to be pink, and this area is going to be turning into more of a traditional with the botanicals. I'll show you. The botanicals are some of these more focused on like the cardinals, poinsettias, more floral based.